Hello from Paris, where I'm using the quiet holiday period to do some planning. If your company is involved with optics and photonics, then there are two events early in 2024 which I'm sure you will be attending. The first one is Photonics West, which keeps adding quantum to its list of exhibitions running alongside the Biophotonics Expo and the main exhibition.
You know, with so many people here, it's easy to get lost in the crowd.
And so what can you do to solve the problem of the growth of the internet when the semiconductor technology runs out of steam? And photonics and quantum photonics is what I heard multiple times as addressing that core issue for society.
And right in the middle of the events, Optica is organizing our traditional VIP executive reception. This year the venue is the San Francisco Museum of Modern Art on January 29th. It's called the MoMA. It's the leading networking opportunity for executives to have meaningful connections in an iconic location. And this year, our keynote speaker will be Alan Lowe, the CEO of Lumentum.
More and more data centers are focused on, or hyperscalers are focused on artificial intelligence, and the GPUs are thirsty for data. And so the only way to get the data to those GPUs and to the memory surrounding the GPUs is through high-speed optical interconnects. And so we provide those very high-speed optical interconnects that really allow those GPUs to not go idle. And our product portfolio is the broadest in the industry for telecommunication networks, data center operators, as well as looking at how people use photonics to process material. So we have a laser business that does quite well for things like processing of semiconductors. And so we're very broad. We're very much looking forward to 2024. The future is really bright for Lumentum.
I'm sure he'll refer to Lumentum's recent acquisition of cloud-like technology for around $750 million. They are planning to capitalize on growing demands for cloud computing as providers such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Google ramp up their need for AI-backed services. But optical communication hardware providers are being challenged like never before, as computational requirements double every 4 months. Alan will share their strategy on the evening of January 29th. And while your agenda is open, you must sign up for the Optica Executive Forum on March 25th during OFC 2024. In one full day, you get a chance to hear over 26 leading speakers and network with those who are changing the critical infrastructure of optical networking. Remember, these are in-person events only. If you want to actively participate, you need to be in the room. It's the way the most successful business is done these days. Here is wishing you a very happy new year 2024.